welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Shein haul for you today. We're gonna do some brand focus on some different sellers that I found a few things that I like and I hope you'll like. These were sent to me for review, but as always, the opinions are all my own. So we'll get started. First and foremost, all the links are in the description box with some coupon codes. Free shipping, free returns, all the things at Shein, and they're getting some exciting new collaborations going. First thing I ordered is this. It is a super long black puffer vest. I will say it's very thin and the zipper is a little sus. But it's cute. I love the rose gold. I think this is rose gold. Nope, this is just regular gold. The snaps work fine. You have some large pockets in the back. And the side has a nice V. It's super comfortable. It's just enough warmth for me at this season of life that I'm not overly hot. It is a little snug up here in the shoulders. My neighbor's leaving, but I think that's okay. It fits good, it's nice, and I would definitely give it a thumbs up. Just be careful of the zip. I may need to take a bar soap and maybe soap it. It's just not a YXK zipper. It goes up and down. You just gotta see like here. You have to kind of fiddle with it, but it's nice. All right, and the rest of the outfits I have, I think are all like two-piece sets. Okay, this outfit is from Emery Rose. It is a long cardigan with some purple legs, pants. It is waffle. It comes with this little tiny tank top, and I do not like cropped, so we won't be wearing that with it. But I like it. I think it's super cute. It's very comfortable. Now, I did downsize to a 2X, and I'll just wear it with, you know, like a white t-shirt of some sort. Yeah, the pants fit good. They're a little staticky today, but I like it. It's thin. I would say this is gonna be great for spring, not today where it's 10 degrees. It is serged, so there's not a rolled hem in here, but that's okay. But yeah, I mean, it's real kind of thin and drapey, which I like. Let me make sure what size I got. It doesn't say, but you have your tag down here. I think it's a 2X, which would be like a 16. All right. So that is outfit number one. All right, now I got this outfit in olive. This one's a little thicker. It definitely has like a fleecy feel to it, which I do like. Again, same serged edge, 2X. It does come with this shirt. I just wasn't comfortable. It's definitely longer, but I like the white underneath. The pants fit really nice. Like, this is super comfy loungewear, if you ask me. And it is a set, so it comes top and bottom. The length is good for me. Oh, it's so comfortable. Like, I would wear this around the house. I would even wear it to work. I have a little bit of weight to lose. I maybe could have went up a size, but I think that would have been too big. So yeah, I like this one a lot. Okay guys, this is also from Shein Curve. It's just a big old giant hoodie. It does have some pretty high slits over here on the side, so I would wear like a t-shirt under it, or I could sew them up, but it's really comfy. The leggings are supposed to be tight, but I think they're a little big on me, but I have some tighter leggings I can wear. It's not like the cotton sweatshirt. It is fleece on the inside, but it's more like that polyester feel. There is a nice hood, but it's very warm and cozy. Again, on a really cold winter's day, like today, this works out well for me. All right, this is also from Emery Rose. It is just a long summer dress. I am headed to Italy this summer and I need to cover my shoulders and my knees. Don't ignore the socks. I need to cover my shoulders and knees to go into the Vatican. So this is going to be an option. It's really comfortable. It's like a t-shirt material. They had them in a couple colors. I am staticky, guys, sorry. Pockets. Can wear it with a little cardigan. I think it's a nice seasonal transition piece as well. But I like it.